Hey kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. I am still Phil Shinbein, and this week is part 2 on our videos about the RZ masks. In part 2 of these videos, we're going to talk about how to fit these masks to your face. Well, first of all, you got to take some measurements of your face. Doesn't work if you measure someone else's face. That would make no sense. As an aside, you want to measure from the bridge of your nose, usually just below your eye line, down to the tip of your chin. Do not measure beyond the tip of your chin, right? RZ masks are normally available in 3 different sizes. For some reason, it's medium, large, extra large. If you measure in between any of those sizes, it is recommended that you select the size down to allow for a tighter seal. Size medium is from 90 to 100 millimeters, large is 100 to 114 millimeters, extra large is anything over 114 millimeters. And the extra large actually does come with a strap extender as well. So if you got double extra large head, that's the one you need. When you're putting your mask on, you want to place the top of the mask right at the very top of your nose. What is this bit here called? The semillon? And then you want to bring it down to cover your chin, or a reasonable hand-drawn facsimile thereof. I don't really have much of a chin. Now, you want to finish by putting the straps around the back of your head once it's already on your face, right? You want to make sure that it's comfortable, but also secure, right? Now, the proper seal that you're after is only really required on the filter and not the mask itself. So if the filter inside the mask creates a seal over your face, you're good to go, right? You want the mask to have a bit of slack. You don't want it to be pulling on everything and just messing with your everything. As long as the filter is creating the seal, the mask is doing its job. Now, I realize getting a feel with a dust mask with all this crap hanging off your face is a bit, you know, a bit of a sticking point, but if the mask is on there, solid, you should be good to go. And remember, you have to choose the RZ filter to match your mask size. For instance, a medium filter will match a medium size mask, right? And getting this right, the measurements perfect, is absolutely essential, because once you open the box and put it on your face, you cannot return these masks. It would be like returning underwear. If you need any more information on the sizing of these masks, there is on our website a size guide located here in one of the tabs. Boop. This has all the information you need to get a mask on your face. Awkward smile. There you have it. That is how you get one of these masks on your face. And not only that, but the correct size version of these RZ masks onto your face. For links to this and everything you need to know to get Wood working, click the links down below in the doobly-doo. If it's your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I have been and will forever remain Phil Shinbein, and I will see you when I see you.
You know that you'll forever remain Phil Shinbein.
I don't.
You have no concept.
Stop asking the hard questions. Look at this guy. He's even got